Amazonian giant centipede, Scolopendra, gigantea. This is one of the largest centipedes in the world. It can grow up to 30 centimeters, or 12 inches in length. That's as long as an iPad. Just imagine this thing crawling up your arm. Yikes. These scary crawlers are native to South America, specifically Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, French Guiana, Guyana, Panama, and Peru. They prefer to live in leaf litter on the forest floor, but they can also be found in trees and under logs. Now let's talk about its bite. If you thought a paper cut was painful, just wait until you hear this. The Amazonian giant centipede has venomous claws that it uses to inject a toxin into its prey. The pain from its bite is unbearable and can last for hours. And here's another scary fact. The venom can also cause a fever and swelling. So not only will you feel like your whole body is on fire, but you'll also have a raging fever and your whole body will be swollen. This centipede really packs a punch. But what does this creepy crawler eat? Well, luckily for us humans, they don't eat people. Instead, they eat insects, frogs, lizards, birds, and even bats. They're also known to eat other centipedes. Their diet consists mostly of protein, and they need a lot of it. After all, they are one of the largest centipedes in the world. A giant Amazonian centipede can eat up to half its body weight in a single meal. That's the equivalent of a person eating 350 grams or 12 ounces of protein. And even though centipedes are not technically insects, that doesn't stop them from eating like one. They have a very diverse diet and will eat almost anything that moves. Just imagine a centipede buffet. There would be lots of protein options to choose from. These centipedes are also extremely fast. They can run up to 60 centimeters or 24 inches per second. That's as fast as Usain Bolt. But centipedes don't just rely on their speed to catch their prey. They're also aggressive and persistent hunters. They will chase down their prey and attack it relentlessly until it is too weak to escape. Once they have their prey, they use their powerful jaws to hold it down, while their venomous claws do the rest of the work. Now let's talk about their creepy, crawly bodies. They have a hard shell that protects them from predators, and their many legs allow them to move quickly and easily. They breathe through a series of holes located on the sides of their bodies. This allows them to absorb oxygen directly from the air. If you want to hear about a specific creature, let me know in the comments. They also have 2 pairs of antennae that they use to sense their surroundings. These antennae are very sensitive and allow the centipede to feel vibrations and changes in air currents. This helps them to avoid predators and find food. But despite their many creepy features, Amazonian giant centipedes are actually beneficial to humans. They help to control populations of insects and other pests that can be harmful to us. They are also a source of food for some animals, such as frogs and lizards. Plus, they're just fascinating creatures to observe. Their unique way of moving and hunting is truly amazing to watch. If you ever come across one of these creepy crawlers in the wild, be sure to admire it from a safe distance. It's an incredible creature that plays an important role in the ecosystem. Now it's time to ask you a question. Have you ever seen an Amazonian giant centipede before? So be sure to share your experience in the comments below. And if you haven't, then I hope that you get the chance to see one of these amazing creatures in its natural habitat.
You watched Wild But True with your host Malcolm Walker.